Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. Today's recipe is called Suya spaghetti jollof. Suya is simply any barbecued meat like beef, chicken or ram, and it's a popular street food delight in Nigeria. Here are the ingredients you will need. To prepare a Suya spaghetti jollof, you will need 1 packet of spaghetti, as star ingredients ram suya, boiled fish, Scotch bonnet or fresh pepper, fresh tomato, onions, tomato puree, ground crayfish, vegetable oil, seasoning cubes and salt, curry powder and thyme leaves. In a boiling pot of water, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. You may use a spaghetti whole, break into half or shorter lengths. I'm going to break the spaghetti into half, then cover the pot to cook for 1 minute. Using a pasta spoon or fork, mix to separate any tangled spaghetti. Then allow to cook for 2 minutes. Strain the spaghetti in a sieve, then refresh with cool water to stop the spaghetti from cooking further. We want our spaghetti cooked firm to the bites, not too soft. Then set the spaghetti aside. With a blender, blend the tomato, pepper and onions, then set aside. In a heated pot, pour in the vegetable oil, then add some sliced onions. Stir fry the onions to allow it to release its sweet onion flavor. Then add the tomato puree. Stir fry the tomato puree till it begins to crumble. Next, pour in the blended tomato, pepper and onion mix into the pot. Stir then leave to fry till the water dries up and you see the vegetable oil bubbling on top of the tomato. Add the curry powder, thyme leaves, ground crayfish, seasoning cubes and salt. Stir, then add about 1 cup of water. Give it a good stir. Then add our premium star ingredients, our ram suya. Stir, then allow to cook for about 1 minute, just so the soya spice combines with the tomato sauce to give this dish a distinct, delicious taste of soya spice. Mixing the spaghetti to properly combine with the tomato sauce. Add the boiled fish, slice Scotch bonnet or fresh pepper like we call it in Nigeria, Cover the pot, then allow to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. And our Suya spaghetti jollof is ready. The aroma is divine. You can add more Suya spice if you desire. Okay, please give me feedback in the comment section if you try this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I say that again. I'll see you in the next one. I don't waka.